Meters, are we ready to go to Petsmart? We need bird food. We need bird food for our rescues. Let's go, my Eve. I love you, baby. We'll go shopping, my beau. Eve, look where we are, Mommy Evie. Look where we are, my beau. Okay, Beefy.
Hi, Beef. How's your day going? Thanks for visiting.
How are you?
Today. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Thanks for bringing her in.
Come on, Beef. He's eyeballing the dog, yeah. He's not afraid of him, but he's like, just don't get in my space.
The dog's like, I just never knew something.
Beef, are you staring down the dog? Let's go. Come on, my beau. They don't have it put together yet, Beef. It's not done yet, Beef. Come on. Come on. This is just like being in a big box, isn't it, both? Sir, I'm not a scratch pad. Do you see what I see, Monbo? What's that? What are those, Beef? Are those hammies, Beef? What's in there? Who's that friend? Who's that friend? What's in there, Mon Beef? Beefy, stop. Just stop, Mon Beef. You're getting heavy, Beef.
Yeah, handsome little baby.
Are you having fun?
What a happy baby.
Right?
I wish every cat was as happy as me.
Please train all my cats.
David's like that. David's really
He's like,
super
Mom.
fun. David doesn't groom me the way that Beef grooms her though. Beef just like constantly loves on mommy.
Constantly sleeps on my face.
Here, let me help you.
Beefy's insanely excited leaving Petsmart today. Beefy, you're so ridiculous. Ow, that hurts, Beef. It's a little aggressive. Oh my God, Beef. I'm so glad you had a good time, my Beef. I'm so glad.